Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Microsoft Excel. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Monday.com. Once you're there, log in with your credentials to access your workspace. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard where all your boards are displayed. Now, look over at the left panel of your screen. You'll see a list of all your available boards. Click on the board you want to integrate with Microsoft Excel. This is the board where you'll be importing your Excel data, so make sure you select the right one that matches the content you're planning to bring in. Once you're inside that board, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a three-dot menu icon there. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. This menu gives you access to various board settings and actions you can perform. From the drop-down that appears, hover your mouse over the option that says More Actions. This will expand another submenu with additional choices. In that submenu, look for and click on Import Onboarding Tasks. This is the feature that allows you to bring external data into your Monday.com board, specifically from Excel files. After clicking that, a new window will pop up prompting you to select a file from your computer. At this point, click Browse to open your File Explorer. This lets you navigate through your folders and locate the exact Excel file you want to import. Once your File Explorer is open, browse through your folders and select the Microsoft Excel file that contains the data you need. After selecting it, click Open to confirm your choice. The file will now be uploaded to Monday.com and the platform will start preparing it for import. You might need to wait a moment while the file is being processed and analyzed. Next, look towards the bottom right of the screen and click Continue. This moves you forward to the next stage of the import process, where you'll configure how the data should be added to your board. Now you'll see a screen where you can select which columns from your Excel file you want to add to your board. Take a moment to choose the columns that are relevant to your workflow. Once you've made your selections, click Start Import in the bottom right corner. The system will now begin importing your Excel data directly into your Monday.com board. And that's it. You've successfully integrated your Microsoft Excel file with Monday.com, bringing all your data into one organized workspace. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.